What's up, man? It's your boy D, man. Sunday fun day. Got a real treat in store for you guys today. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys lock in. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so right now, because this one's about to be off the chain.
Spit has a motherfucking visual. Niggas grouped up, talk shit, it's a ritual. Everyone's G's, man. I'm just doing me, man. But I'll use that yappy if you run.
That's some funny shit, y'all. Motherfuckers get creative out here, though. You know what I mean?
What's good with it? Ain't nothing. Shit, I was just admiring my boy shit. That shit clean.
Hell yeah.
I'm loving it. 09.
Yup.
Hey, it could compare to the new ones.
Yeah.
The new ones. I'm loving it.
I love that body style, man.
Yeah, me too. Like I was telling him, I got an 04. Still don't look shit like that. Shit clean.
see it, Majestics in the motherfucking building. Appreciate Majestics showing love, man. I fuck with y'all, man. Appreciate it. Y'all know what it is. Lexa_460. Hope you guys all had a cool ass motherfucking Sunday fun day, man. Hope you guys had a good one, man. Appreciate y'all.